Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and I know I haven't been posting. I've been very busy guys. Alright, I will explain everything to you in another video, and for all the comments I'll respond to them as soon as possible. It's winding down now. It's internal examination starting week after next. This week coming is revision week, then the other week is exam week, so therefore I will get more time to post and make the videos for you guys. All right, I have a lot to tell you. I've made a lot of videos, but I haven't edited them as yet. Still have a lot on my plate, but since I'm gonna do a lot today, I decided to come on here and vlog. So I'm actually going to vlog today. All right guys, so come along with me. I'm not even sure what the process is going to look like. All I know is I have a lot to do today and I haven't left as yet. I should have been gone from 8:30 and it's about after 11 or to 12, I don't remember, somewhere about that time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring you guys with me today. You might see this video a bit later because I want to upload the other videos first, then this one here, but this is going to be the first vlog, like vlog. All right, the other ones are like official videos and stuff like that. All right, so this is going to be the first vlog after returning. And guys, my tripod is not working, neither are my lights. I'm gonna try and get them fixed probably next week if possible. As I said, I still have a lot to do, so I'm not even sure. But guys, journey along with me. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Sorry for the shaking. As I said, my tripod's not working and the setup that I usually have here is not there anymore. So I will get everything sorted out and then come back online, etc. All right guys, I will see you soon. Bye. All right guys, so there's a few things that I have to do today. I need some hair products. When I come back, I'm going to show you that all of them are, majority of them are out. I'm completely done. I need some art products because for drawing day at school, I'm going to show you the flyer that I made. For drawing day at school, I promised the students who did the best drawing would get a basket, and I have some little knickknacks to buy at the supermarket and other stores like the bookstores and stuff like that. Have those to get, and I have to go to B&B to collect some packages. I'm not sure if I want to go because it's a lot of work, or probably the lines are even long. And I also want to set up my backdrop so I can start doing some videos. I want to get some, just start over a little bit and do some backdrops and decorating and stuff like that for the backdrop that I do have. As I mentioned, my light is not working, so I need to get those fixed. So I have those to do, so 4 or 5 things to do, but I'm not sure if everything is going to be completed today, so therefore it would be a weekly vlog, what I did in a week. So I'm gonna try and get everything completed by the end of next week, Friday or Saturday. Alright guys, so today is actually Saturday, and probably by next week Saturday I'm gonna be done. Okay guys, so come along with me. I'm leaving out now. Alright guys, 17 minutes on here. As you know, I'm not able to video inside the stores, so I definitely would do a haul of what I bought and the receipts and stuff, but I'm not able to video inside the store. Look at that shame. Look here, can't video in a store, then tell me about so I can't video in a store. So here what usually I would hide and record in the stores, but nowadays so my time they catch my video in a store, I'm gonna like shame, so I'm just about a video in the store. So I will definitely do a haul for you guys, okay? But what I bought not too long ago came to about $3,000 odd. I didn't do the receipts separately. So I will definitely separate them probably in the next store or so, because I thought about that at the last minute. So I will tell you how much each come up to the art products, the hair products separately, okay guys? So I will see you soon. I'm going towards the next store now, so I will see you guys soon. Alright, so guys, I told you that I was going to try this one. Alright guys, I just coming from the next store guys, and I bought something to eat. I'm going toward the next store now. They actually just moved, so I'm going there now. Somebody up there, right? Somebody up there, right? Me, I'm going to walk. Oh. Okay, I'm going to staircase there. Okay. So what is your storage now?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh. Hello.
Try one again. I'll give it my phone.
Hi. Hi. Turn off. should have want white out. Let me get a white out, please. Huh? Palette, small one. What's for this one? It's okay. Give me that one. Yes, this one. Which one cheaper? That one or the pink? Send me a sharpener, please. Yeah, the green one. One green one. Pencil. 2B, 3B, and 6B pencil. You have the little plastic thing that goes on the basket, like you put it over and fit tight. Yeah. This is a nice one of it. We'll buy a backdrop first. Backdrop first. I think I'm in my 10th store, 11th store now, guys. Oh God. I'm walking around to get the best price by now because I've spent a good amount of money already. So oh Lord, I don't know which number store is this, guys. Oh God.
So I'm returning for you. What's your mailbox number?
16849. Here are the packages, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I think most of this is for my daughter. Alright, so I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I left at 12 something, right? And it's now 6:26. I'm just coming back from off the road. I'm going to do a haul, but not as yet. I'm going to prepare something to eat, settle down, then I do the haul. As you recognize, I didn't get to show you all the stores that I went to because of videoing and stuff like that, and then I wanted to concentrate a bit, and I've been to about 25 different places, guys. 25, that is too much. Okay, so I'm gonna do a haul of what I bought. I think I'm gonna do part 1, 2, and 3 because it probably is going to be long. The video probably going to be long. The haul is probably going to be long, because I want to have my hair video separate, my art video separate, and the other one separate. So that's 3 videos. So I will do part 1, 2, and 3. Alright guys, so just stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.